Hello everybody, good morning. Well, we're going to solve the problem related with the Wi-Fi. Okay, as you can see, my Wi-Fi is working perfectly. So let's go. Well, first of all, you have a link in the description. Okay, you have to download it. This is the result. Okay, its name is Hackintosh Comment. So we open it. Okay, double click, sorry, and the terminal will open. Okay, and make the process automatically. So we wait until it finish. Okay, process complete. Okay, so we can close it, and now we can see two. Oh, sorry. You can see two folders here in your desktop. Okay, the Hackintosh ones, it doesn't matter. Okay, but it's needed to build the text. Okay, so we open Hackintosh relays and we have this one. Okay, airport. So we move it to the desktop and we trust them. Okay, now we mount our FE. Okay, I have already mounted. You can mount it with Clover configurator, whatever you want. Okay, so now we are going to OC folder and kex folder, and now we move or copy our text, our downloaded text to this folder. Okay, in my case I already have it, so I'm going to stop the process, but you will simply move it or copy it to this folder. Well, next step, we go back to this folder, to the OZ folder, and now we open config dump list with OpenCore configurator. Okay, now as you can see, there are I have my own config list, but now we're going to kernel. Well, in that way we drag and drop this text to there, and as you can see, three new options have appeared. So how to solve it? We disable the airport BRCM4360 injector text. Okay, this is not needed on Big Sur. So once we have unticked this one, we saved. Okay, I am not going to save, and we restart. Okay, and that's all. When you reboot your computer and boot to Big Sur, your Wi-Fi has to work. I hope you liked. If you want to subscribe, you're welcome, and of course give me a like. Thank you.